Perth musician diagnosed with advanced bowel cancer. A beloved Perth musician who performs with his brothers has been diagnosed with advanced bowel cancer just 3 months after their father died. Courtney Murphy played a gig with his brother Chris last Monday, and by Tuesday night a CT scan in hospital showed he had a tumor. On Thursday, they opened him up to get rid of the tumor, and that's when we discovered it's quite bad, Chris told 9 News. Read more. Caroline's brain was almost torn in half after being hit by police car on holiday. Perth musician Courtney Murphy has been diagnosed with bowel cancer. 9 News. The cancer is too advanced to operate on, and the 44-year-old has started aggressive chemotherapy to try to save his life. The musician, who finished third in the 2004 series of Australian Idol, makes a living performing with the family band, which he will no longer be able to do. Courtney's shocking diagnosis also comes just 3 months after his father died from a brain tumor. He performs in the family band with his 2 brothers, Chris and Kieran. 9 News. His brothers, Chris and Kieran, have started an online fundraising campaign which has already raised more than $42,000. As a family, we're going to rally around him as much as we can, but in terms of being able to keep their family ticking along, we're going to need some help, Kieran said. Read more. Major police chase ends in arrests after teens allegedly storm homes with machetes. Just 3 months ago, Chris, left, Kieran, top, and Courtney Murphy, right, lost their father, center, to a brain tumor. 9 News. We were little kids when we started playing music together, so for Kieran and I to be faced with this, it's quite shocking and traumatic. He's our best friend, Chris added. Bowel cancer rates in young adults are on the rise, with Courtney joining the 16 Australians aged under 50 diagnosed every year. The National Bowel Cancer Screening Program begins from age 50, but Bowel Cancer Australia is pushing for that to be lowered to at least 45, with many people reporting little to no symptoms. He's been on chemo for a couple of days now, and it knocks people around pretty hard. But he's just sitting there, doing his thing, saying, "I'm going to do this," Chris said. It's inspiring, that's for sure.